Hello, my name is Anthony Zeko, and today I'll be doing the demonstration for week 6, CSC 341 assignment. First thing I'm going to do is to do the testing. All tests have been done for controller, for the movie controller, the review, the user, the watch list, and each of these tests have included the needs test for the CRUD operation: create, read, update, delete. The read is the get, both get for all and get for users. So you see get is represented for in all of the tests. And so you just get one movie, that's get one movie by ID. It's replicated all through. And so I'll just run the test locally to ensure that all tests pass. npm test, and then we'll see. So all tests pass. And yes, so we'll continue. All of the tests pass. Oh, I don't know where this is showing here. Let's have it somewhere here. Okay, and so we go to let me just bring this here. Okay. Need to remove this. Okay. All right, so we go now to Swagger. And so first of all, we have this is the GitHub repo. The GitHub repo, sensitive information, we're not exposed. No, the .env file is not here. The node modules is not here. If we go to the publish link, here is the publish link, and we're going to use this to test in a minute. And so we check the environment, and we can see, as usual, that the secrets are stored here, and it is not accessible on GitHub. And so we'll go to Swagger now. First, we'd like to get, so this is a lot, 4 collections is represented here. So I'll just pick the get all, I'll do it with the user collection. And so I'm going to get all using user. So this is a protected route because for what to use as for login. And so we log in through Google Auth. And so if you try to access this route, which is protected, you get unauthorized, please log in. So we're going to have the same for, so we'll be testing the get all with users. We'll be testing the get one with movies. So the get one is the get by ID. So we're going to come to Compass, which is the database, and get movies. And we'll copy the ID and see if we can get it without authorization. So go back to movies, get movie by ID, that'll be this. So let's see if we can get the movie by ID from without authorization. I put in the ID and I execute. So we have unauthorized please login. So we have to authorize before we can log in through the users and through the movies. Those routes are protected. And so I'll just go back to get this authorization. So we're going to use the publish site. There's a hack to this. So instead of, we just do /auth/Google, and this will lead us into the dashboard, and we can copy the authorization token from the application tab. We have the application tab, cookies. This is the authorization token. We just copy it and go back to Swagger, authorize. Swagger is set up to do this, and we authorize. Now we'll go back to those routes. First, the get all users, which was protected. Let's see if we can access it now. Get all users, yes, authorize. I'm authorized, right? Yeah. So now execute and let's see. Yes, we can get them. Yes, we have them. We can see all the users. And then we go back to movies. Want to get one movie. Want to get one movie. So get movies by ID. And we already copied. We tested before and got unauthorized. So we are going to test with the same movie ID and see what we get now. Haven't we added our authorization? Now we've added our authorization, we can get that movie. Okay, with the proper status code, everything works well. All is well in Zion. Now we go to review to post. So the post does not have we don't need access to do that, but we just go ahead, post a review. So the idea is to post a review on a certain movie. Okay, so assuming we have these, they are the same, we could just change this. Let me try it out. So the user ID should be the ID of the person who wants to do the review, and then the movie ID is the movie to be reviewed. And so then we can just say, just give it a different name. The best movie ever. The best movie ever should be having a rating of 5/5. So let's just do that. And then we can execute this and see. Yes, it works the best movie ever. So let's go and check for the best movie ever. Yeah. So let's remove movies and reload movies. Sorry, that will not be movie, that will be reviews. So let's remove review and reload review. The best movie ever is what we're checking for. I don't know where this is coming down. Just so this is the best movie ever. We have it here. And so it works. So we go back to and then now we need to test for validation. So we'll go back to the same post. Let's try to hit this without the comment because everything is required. So let's hit it if it will fully catch the error. And so we have, we're going to execute this. The status of 100, please provide a comment. So that was successfully done. Thank you. Error validation works. Error and then validation works. And so we put watch list. So we use the watch list for the updates. So I'll come here to, we have to update a single item. So update watch list by ID. And then, so which watch list? We're going to check for the watch list. I think we have only one watch list here. Yeah, so this is the ID of the watch list. So we're just going to copy it. So the watch list have this movie. The movie here was shared with 2 users. And so we want to add another movie to it so that we'll have 2. So the array will be 2. So we'll come back and check if that was done. So we'll go back to Swagger and just put the ID. I don't need this here. I don't need you here right now. Try it out. Add the ID. Okay, I thought we copied this. Let's copy. Let's copy. Let's come back. Yes, so we are going to. Okay. Okay, so we just have one. Let's add. This is the default. This happens by default. And so if I'm just going to move this, I don't want to alter this. So I only want to alter the movies. I'm adding a new movie to this. So I can just go copy a movie ID here. Doesn't really matter. I can make one upwards. Let me just copy one. I'll copy it and come back and just add so that we have 2 movies on the watch list. So let's see if it was updated successfully. Yes, it was. So come back here and check the watch list. So we'll reload. Yeah, so it was shared with 2 before, 1 movie, now we have 2, right? Yep, so it works. And so we're also going to check for validation. We're going to check for validation. So we move this upwards and just let's say we are not updating anything. So what's the point if we're not updating anything? It should be an error if we're not updating anything. We have to update something. So we'll just see if it caches it and does it properly. Update at this one feed, status is 400, so that works. Error handling and validation works. And then we're going to delete, a review. I want to delete a review. So let's see. Go to review. Let's reload the reviews. We have a lot of files here. I want to delete a bad review, but fortunately there's no bad review. Let's just delete this one that says the movie is good. I'm gonna see ending with 05E, so we're going to search for it. So review delete. We'll try it out. And so let's execute and check. Deleted successfully 05E. Let's check for it now. Let's reload reviews. 05E is not present, and so it all works. Yeah, so we've done the testing. We have been testing with a published link. This movie to watch, that's the published link. We checked on GitHub, everything works. Yeah, so everything works. We can do all the cross operation for the 4 collections. It will just take time. So thank you, and God bless you.